Round R. Okay, science today then. We're going to have a look at some electrical symbols and diagrams. So the activity is how do we draw electrical symbols and diagrams. We would, if we'd been in school, have done some work with electrical circuits by now. Unfortunately, we can't do that as we're not here. But we can look at how electrical symbols work. So the very first thing I'd want you to do is just to follow this link here, which will take you to the BBC Bitesize page, which is this one here. There we are, how to draw electrical symbols and diagrams. Have a read what it says here, and then you've got a video to watch here. So if you watch this through, it's only short, only about just over a minute, that'll help explain some of this for you. Okay, and then you've got then some different symbols here, which your job is, having watched the video, to see if you now know what's what. For example, this is a battery. Actually, on its own is a cell, because 2 cells make a battery. Okay, and then you've got to then basically match the symbol to each component. So you can work your way through. You do the same down here on these 3, okay? I've already had a go at them. You can do those yourselves. Now, the next job, if we go back to the plan, then says, then try out the online activities before completing the interactive PDF electric circuit activity in the Teams folder. I go to Teams. I'm in Tuesday now, okay? I'm in Science and Technology. And then here's the activity here. If I click on it, it'll open it. Now, what you'll notice at this point is it won't work. It's not interactive, okay? To make it interactive, you need to click on the 3 dots here. And you need to download it, okay? Once you've downloaded it, it will work and it'll turn into this. And then with your electrical circuits work here, this is what it says. Electricity flows in a circuit from the negative pole of a battery to its positive pole. That means one end to another. On a diagram, the right-hand side is the negative pole. So electricity on this diagram under here flows in a clockwise direction, okay, from the battery all the way around and back to the battery, okay. So your job here, okay, the flow of electricity creates an electric current. There's a symbol to represent each component, each thing in an electrical circuit. Sometimes a lamp is called a bulb, okay? So these different symbols here represent different things. So you've got an open switch, okay? So if the switch is open, it means that the switch is turned off, okay? Electricity cannot flow. Closed switch means that the switch is on and electricity can flow and lights will work, or buzzers will work, motors will work. This is your battery. It's made up of 2 cells, okay? This is 1 cell, okay? And 2 of those will make a battery. Your wires, straightforward line, motor, circular M, buzzer, this half a circle with 2 lines, and a lamp or a bulb is just this circle with a cross in the middle. Now, as we come down to the interactive diagram, okay, so here's your circuit diagram. It starts with your battery. So if you click up here, you can then scroll in there and select battery, right? If you want to. Now I've clicked cell, and that's not right because there's 2 cells, that's a battery. So you select the correct one, okay? Then we got M. So you think, right, what's M? Go up. Oh, it's a motor. Click here. Scroll down inside the drop-down box, find motor. Go on to this symbol, same thing. Go on to this one here, same thing. What is this here? Go on to this one here. What is this thing here? Again, you've got drop-down menus. Okay. Now then, underneath, these boxes can be typed into. Okay, so just to show you, I can type some letters directly in. Okay, you can do that and type in. And once you've then typed all that in, what you could do, if you're able to then to make your screen a bit smaller, like I'm able to now, you could take a screenshot and send me the right answers in like that, okay? Or take a photo and upload to Dojo. Okay, have a go with those 2 activities, please. They shouldn't take you that long.